Hey guys, today I'll show how to repair Epson T5270 printer ink cartridge area error. Just turn off the printer and opening the right side cover. This message is from maintenance the right side, maintenance the right side cartridge area. That's why I'm opening the right side cover. You can see. If you watch the full video without skipping, you will learn how to repair this printer and how to clean the cartridge area. I am opening the display board. When you open the display board, you should be careful about this ribbon. Open and clean the full all rust from this cartridge area. You can see here is a lots of dust under the cartridge area. We need to clean the all dust. After that I will show very important thing. This problem come from two side. This is the one side, and here is another one side. You will see this. I will show you. I am setting the top cover. I'm cleaning the cartridge. If you don't open the printer cartridge, you will clean this way to cartridge. This is the most important part of this error signal. You just open the single ink drum and close the front cover. After that, open the another one. You just see what I am doing, and if you want to remove this error, you should what I am doing, you should be do like this. Open the all cartridges one by one and open the front cover and close. After that, install. This is the most important part of this error problem. You can see what I am doing. I am opening magenta drum and open the front cover and entering the ink drum. Now I am opening the black drum. What I am doing, you should do as it is. That problem will be solved. This is most important part of this video. Okay. Open the close the front cover and open the, after that open the front cover and enter the cartridge. Close the front cover. Yeah, you can see our printer is okay. You can see here our printer is ready. Now I will print and I will show. This is printing very clearly. Dear viewers, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.